Hello student. So today we will solve question number 1 of chapter number 10 GST from the book DK Goyal. Now let's see the question. Pass the entry in the book of Mukherjee and Sons assuming all the transaction have the taken place within the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. All the transaction are taken place within the Uttar Pradesh within the same state. It means it is CGST and SGST will apply. Assuming the CGST and SGST is 9%, 9%. Okay. First entry. Now first of all draw the format. Okay. Now see, on 4th March 23, date 2023, 4th March, purchase goods of 5 lakh rupees from the Mehta brothers. Okay. परचेज है फ्रॉम द मेहता ब्रदर्स. थोड़ी देर के लिए जीएसटी भूल जाइए. जर्नल एंट्री में मैंने आपको बताया था इफ द नेम इज गिवन दैट इट मीन्स दैट इट इज क्रेडिट परचेज और क्रेडिट सेल. सो द एंट्री विल बी व्हाट? परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट. परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट 5 lakh rupees. And if you purchase something, then you will have to pay GST also. So the GST you will pay is known as input GST. And now we will write input CGST, debit, input SGST, debit 5 lakh. 5 lakh, 9% of 5 lakh will be 45,000. So the debit 45,000 and 45,000 to Mehta brothers. To Mehta brothers 5,90,000. Clear? Being goods purchased from Mehta brothers. Now see next. Sold the goods of 8 lakh to Munjal and company. Again sale hai. And the name of the company is given. It means it is credit sale. 10th March. It is credit sales. It means कि Munjal and company is my debtor. So Munjal and company. अब remember one thing. When you are a seller, okay? When you are a seller, then you will receive the amount of goods plus amount of GST, which will pay by the buyer. ओके तो मुंजल एंड कंपनी कोई चीज खरीद रही है और हम बेच रहे हैं तो ही विल पे. तो मुंजल एंड कंपनी अकाउंट डेबिट टू व्हाट? टू सेल्स अकाउंट. टू if you are a seller then you will charge output GST CGST to output SGST. Okay. Your selling amount is 8 lakh rupees. And 8 lakh rupees 9% 72,000. The total amount paid by the Munjal and company will be 9,44,000. Being goods sold to Munjal and company. Clear? Now the next entry 15th March. 15th March. Paid for the advertisement 40,000 by the check. Okay, if you are you paid for the 40,000 advertisement expense by the check. So advertisement is also my expense. Advertisement account debit. How much? 40,000. So you will pay input GST also, input CGST, debit, input SGST, debit, 40,000, 9%, 3,600, 3,600. To bank. For 47,200. Being advertisement expense paid by check. Now 18th March. Purchase furniture for the office use and payment made by the check. Again 18th March. 18th March, purchase furniture for the office use. Okay, furniture for the office use है, so it is an asset, it is an expense, so the entry will be furniture account debit. Also you have to pay input CGST, input SGST to bank. चेक से है ना, हाँ, to bank. The amount of furniture is 50,000. 50,000, 9%, 4,500, 4,500, 9,000, it will 59,000. ओके, अब एक बार हम थोड़ा चेक कर लें कि कट तो नहीं रहा है नीचे से. क्लियर है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज 25. चलो यहीं लिख लेते हैं, वहां नहीं आ पाएगा. Paid for the printing and stationery 8,000 rupees. Okay, paid for the printing and stationery 8,000 rupees. So 25th March, printing and stationery and it is an expense, so you have to pay the input GST also, input CGST debit, input SGST एंड टू कैश कर देते हैं, कोई बैंक तो कहा नहीं है, तो टू कैश. प्रिंटिंग चार्जेस विल बी 8,000 rupees and 8,000, 9%, 720, 720, 9,440. The total amount you will pay 9,440, 9,440 rupees. Okay. Now the next entry 31st March. पेमेंट मेड ऑफ द बैलेंस अमाउंट ऑफ द जीएसटी. जो भी बैलेंस अमाउंट ऑफ द जीएसटी बचता है आउटपुट और इनपुट का, अब उसका आप पेमेंट करेंगे. तो लेट्स सी द वर्किंग नोट. वर्किंग नोट. नाउ फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट द आउटपुट, सॉरी, नाउ फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट द इनपुट, इनपुट CGST and input SGST. So I say that if input GST are in the debit column, so it is the positive, but if the output input GST is in credit column, so it is negative. Here the input GST 45,000 both are in the debit, so plus 45,000 and plus 45,000. Now here this is input. This is input GST 3600 and both are in the debit, so again plus 3600. Now input debit है यहाँ पे 45 again plus 4500 plus 4500. आ रही है बात समझ में? अगर डेबिट में है तो प्लस लिखेंगे, क्रेडिट में है तो माइनस लिखेंगे इनपुट के केस में. इनपुट यहाँ दोनों में डेबिट है. अगेन हियर इनपुट डेबिट है 720. नाउ 720. नाउ द टोटल ऑफ दिस विल बी 45,000, 3600, 4500, 720. 53820. 53820. Now compute the output GST. Output GST, the nature of output GST is of credit nature. ठीक है, the nature of output GST is of credit. It means that if output GST are in the credit column, it will positive, and if the output GST are in the debit column, then it will negative. Now see where is output GST is given here in the credit column, so it will plus output SGST 72,000. Any other output? No, only one. Now see, you know output GST is the liability. Okay, output GST is the liability because you have to pay it to the government. Okay, you have to pay 72,000 to the government, but you already paid 53,820. So net GST payable या CGST payable and net SGST payable. You already know that output GST is the liability, but the input GST is the asset for you. So you will pay net GST payable will be 72,000. 72,000 minus 53820. 181. 72,000 minus 53820, and it will 18180, and this will again same होगा, कोई इसमें डिफरेंस नहीं है, 18180. okay, you get the relief of 53,820 of the GST you paid earlier. Okay, now the entry will be what? You know that this is the liability, and first of all we decrease our liability. Okay, we pay off our liability, and when the liability will goes out, liability will go into the debit column. So output entry will be output CGST account debit, output SGST account debit to input CGST SGST is my asset, and when asset will goes out, okay, because this asset will set off against this liability, and that's why it is goes down. So when it is goes asset will goes down, then it will goes into the credit column. So in to input CGST account to input SGST account, and the amount will be what? Output में 72,000 72,000। आउटपुट इनपुट CGST में ये 53820, 53820। ओके, so 72 minus 53,820, you get the relief of this amount 53,820, but you have to pay CGST 18180 and SGST will 18180. So total amount will be, total amount of GST paid, भाई आप CGST इतना दोगे, SGST इतना दोगे, तो दोनों को ऐड कर दो। 18180 into 2, 36360, 36360. So the total amount of GST paid will be 36,360 and it will paid by the bank. So the entry will be to bank account 36,360 rupees. Okay, entry will be being GST paid, and your answer is right. Okay, this is your answer. Net GST payable will be 36,360 rupees. Clear hai? So question number 1 is completed. Now copy this, and in the next video we will see the question number 2. Okay, चलिए।